Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of work in my backyard. I gotta move my shed into a different position. I have some old dirt that I want to get rid of, which I'm going to be having a buddy come over with a skid steer, and we're going to be hauling that down the street to someone that needs some fill in their backyard. So basically I'll show you what the plan is for today and how we're going to tackle this. So this is my shed. It's a pretty decent sized shed, and what I've done throughout the last year is I've cleared this back area that I have up behind my house. As you can see, it's quite a bit of area. There's the pile of dirt that I'm going to be removing. It's not just dirt, it's got some debris in it. It's been sitting there. There's the shed, and what we're going to do is we're going to turn it sideways and push it into that corner so I can build a little bit of a gravel road coming up here. I'm eventually going to take these trees out here, and that's going to allow me to have some more open space back here. And here's the good old BX that I use. It's my BX 22. Great tractor, subcompact tractor, but it is a great tractor. It's strong and does the job. So again, the idea is back here, once it's opened up, I want to throw down some gravel and eventually put up a metal shed so I have more room to put stuff in, run electricity out here, and probably eventually get rid of the original shed here. So all I'm looking to do right now is just clean up the area, just get it ready. It's fall here up in the northeast, just trying to clear it, make it nice before fall. Want to get all the sticks and everything out of the way and the rocks. I have some bricks down here from an old project, so I'm going to pile them up back. Again, just to get it ready for my plan for next year. Got a little friend here, Milo the cat. He's around here looking around. Here's the house kitty. Everyone say hi to Milo. But yeah, this is also a pile of wood that I had ordered. It's in a tote bag, kind of covered right now. So I'm gonna fire up the steel chainsaw. I gotta cut some limbs down. We have what's called mountain laurel up here. It's a very hard wood, and it's all dead, so I have to take it down. I have a steel MS250. Love this chainsaw. It's not the biggest, but it's not the smallest. It performs great. It's got a 20-inch bar on it. Let me know in the comments down what you guys have for saws and what you think of steel, or if you like another particular brand. Now some of you are probably asking why I'm not keeping that to burn. It's just not worth it to me. It's too hot of a wood to burn, and I have plenty of other wood that we burn outside. Very rarely do I burn inside in our fireplace. Hey guys, so the shed move went great. Sorry I wasn't able to get much of the skid steer moving. The shed, I had to kind of be hands-on, but this is what it looks like. The shed has been moved. It's over in the corner now. It really came out good. It wasn't too hard to move with the proper equipment. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you on the next one.